आज ही डाउटनेट ऐप डाउनलोड करें। डाउटनेट पर होगा अब आपके सभी मैथ्स, केमिस्ट्री, फिजिक्स और बायोलॉजी डाउट्स का सफाया। बस अपने क्वेश्चन की फोटो खींचो, उसे क्रॉप करो और तुरंत वीडियो सॉल्यूशन पाओ। डाउनलोड नाउ।
Welcome to Doubtnut. So this is the question: if a vector, b vector and c vectors are vectors such that magnitude of a vector is equal to 3, magnitude of b vector is equal to 4 and magnitude of c vector is equal to 5, and a plus b vector is perpendicular to c, b plus c vector is perpendicular to a, and c plus a vector is perpendicular to b, then magnitude of a plus b plus c is equal to option A 4 root 3, option B 5 root 2, option C 2 and option D 12. So now what is given in the question? Given in the question is magnitude of A is equal to 3, magnitude of B is equal to 4 and magnitude of C is equal to 5. So now A vector plus B vector is perpendicular to C vector, B vector plus C vector is perpendicular to A vector, and C vector plus A vector is perpendicular to B vector. So we have to find the magnitude of A plus B plus C. This is the proper question. So now each of one, like A, B, C, are perpendicular to the sum of other two. So it is given in the question that A plus B is perpendicular to C. So as A vector plus B vector is perpendicular to C vector. So now this means that C dot A plus B is equal to 0. Correct? So multiply this. What do I get? I get A vector dot C vector plus B vector dot C vector is equal to 0. Correct? Mark this as equation number 1. So now if B plus C vector is perpendicular to A vector, so that means A dot B plus C. So this would be equal to, similarly, is equal to 0. So similarly, A vector dot B vector plus A vector dot C vector is equal to 0. Correct? Mark this as equation number 2. So now if A plus C is perpendicular to B, so now A vector plus C vector is perpendicular to B vector, is perpendicular to B vector. A plus C is perpendicular to B vector. So that means B vector dot A plus C vector is equal to 0. So that means A vector dot B vector plus C vector dot B vector is equal to 0. Mark this as equation number 3. So now we have to find the value of magnitude of A plus B plus C. So just square it. So A plus B plus C whole square would be equal to A plus B plus C into A plus B plus C. If you don't remember the formula of A plus B plus C whole square, so you can do this. So this would be equal to A into A. So A vector dot A vector plus A vector dot B vector plus A vector dot C vector. So plus A vector dot B vector plus A vector dot B vector plus B vector dot B vector plus B vector dot C vector plus A vector dot C vector plus B vector dot C vector plus C vector dot C vector. So we can write this in the form of, if we look into this, so this would be equal to 0, this would be equal to 0, this would be equal to 0, and this would be equal to 0 as well. Correct? Because it is given in the question that this would be equal to A dot B vector would be equal to minus B dot C vector. So this would cut, this would get cancelled, correct? Now a dot c vector from here would be equal to minus of a dot b vector. So a of c vector would be equal to minus of a of b vector, so this would also get cancelled, and a of c vector is equal to minus of b of c vector, so this would also get cancelled. So what I'm left with, I can write this from 1, 2 and 3, correct? So now I'm left with a dot a vector plus b dot b vector plus c dot c vector. So now this can be written as magnitude of a square plus magnitude of b square plus magnitude of c square. So we have the values which are 3, 4 and 5 respectively. So this would be equal to, plug in the value, so this would be equal to 3 square, b is 4, so 4 square, and c is 5, so 5 square. And this is the value of magnitude of a plus b plus c. So this would be equal to 9 plus 16 plus 25. So 16 plus 25 plus 9 is 34. 34 plus 16 is 50. So this was the value of a plus b plus c whole square. Sorry, a plus b plus c whole square. So a plus b plus c whole square is equal to 50. So on taking square root, what do I get as the magnitude of a plus b plus c vector? It would be under root of 50, correct? So now take out the factors of 50, or you can factorize it whatever you want. So this would be 2 into 5 into 5. So this would be a plus b plus c vector magnitude would be equal to 5 root 2. So let me check which option is the most suitable one. It is option number B, 5 root 2. I hope you understood the explanation. Thank you.
क्लास 6 से 12 से लेके नीट IIT JEE मेंस और एडवांस के लेवल तक 10 मिलियन से ज़्यादा स्टूडेंट्स का भरोसा। आज ही डाउनलोड करें डाउटनेट ऐप या व्हाट्सएप कीजिए अपने डाउट्स 8400 400 400 पर।